Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video I'm going to go over the notes and the fingering for a 1-octave melodic minor scale in the key of F sharp minor. Now this scale can be very confusing because on the way up, two of the notes are different than they are on the way down. Furthermore, in this key of F sharp, the fingering is different on the way up than it is on the way down for the right hand. So there's a lot to think about. So what I'd like to do first is we are going to review the notes for an F sharp major scale because we're going to use some of those as we go up in melodic minor. So do is F sharp, re is G sharp, mi is A sharp, fa, B, so, C sharp, la, D sharp, T is E sharp, and do is F sharp. So in melodic minor, we're going to use these top four notes, so, la, ti, do, as we go up. On the way down, we're going to use natural minor, and we're going to create that right now by lowering the third, the sixth, and the seventh down a half step. So mi, la, and ti move down a half step to me, le, and te. And that's our natural minor. So it's 3 sharps, and you will use that when you're coming down in melodic minor. So on the way up in melodic minor, I like to think of it as a hybrid scale. So the bottom half is natural minor. So we have do, re, mi, fa, and then so is the same whether we have major or minor. And then the top half sounds major. So, la, ti, do. Then we take these two keys here, lower them, and come back down. One other thing I wanted to mention to help you understand why melodic minor exists in the first place, it's so confusing, is because if we play natural minor, you'll hear we're getting to do, or tonic, or the main note of the scale by the interval of a whole step. So that doesn't feel as strong. So some composers like to get to do by the interval of a half step. Feel like it's more leading, more complete when you get to do moving up by half step. However, that creates a problem here because then we have this big gap here, and this is actually harmonic minor. It sounds kind of exotic. And some composers don't like that exotic sound. So they prefer to raise the 6th and the 7th when going up. I think it's easiest to remember on the way up, we've got natural minor, we've got major, and then on the way down, lowered 7, 6, and 3, natural minor. We're going to lock in all those notes and finger switches using a technique called clumping. And that's where we're going to play the notes together in between where the cross-unders are. And so the right hand, as I mentioned before, has tricky fingering. We're going to start with a clump of 3 and 4. Then the thumb's going to come under. And then we're going to have 2, 3, 4. Thumb. Now instead of putting 2 here, which would feel kind of natural, because we're going to turn around, we're going to put 3 here. And we clump 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3. So the trickiest thing about this is skipping finger 2 right here. But then finger 2 gets to play right away. Left hand, same thing. We're going to clump 4, 3, 2. 2 black keys here. And then cross with 2. And then 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the left hand has the same fingering on the way up and down. You don't skip any fingers. Now we'll put that hands together using a technique of short and long rhythm so you can plan which finger is crossing over or under next. So we're going to start right hand crossing under. Now left hand's going to cross with 3. right hand's going to cross under 4 and then switch to finger 3. Turn around, finger 2 gets to play on the way down. Right hand crosses with 3, left hand under 3. Right hand crosses with 4. So one at a time. Finger 3. Cross with 3. Thank you for watching this short video on how to play a 1-octave melodic minor scale in the key of F sharp. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique, piano literature, and quick piano tips. Thanks again for watching.